Stocking my pantry and doing weekly light prep with nutrient-rich staples makes our weeknight dinner routine versatile and so much easier. I upcycle glass jars to store ancient grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. This makes it easy to see what's in the glass without labeling. I love using ancient grains because they have the full amino acid profile and they're a complete source of plant-based protein while being good sources of fiber. I also have grains like oats and sprouted brown rice at the ready. I prefer to have dried beans. They're shelf-stable, and I can prepare them on my stovetop or in my Instant Pot. Using minimally processed, high-quality ingredients allows me to think about what herbs, seasonings, and vegetables I can add to the preparation process. We always have an assortment of nuts and seeds. They add wonderful flavor to meals, as well as being a fantastic source of plant-based protein and heart-healthy fats. Sometimes I roast and season nuts myself with liquid aminos or low-sodium tamari, turmeric, chili pepper, black pepper, and more. Cooking oils are a staple, and I love having the variety on hand to add unique flavor to various dishes. Finally, green powders like spirulina and chlorella are also a favorite, as they are a good plant-based source of protein and contain naturally occurring vitamins, minerals, and amino acids.